make x the subject of the formula. So b equal to 1 over 2 square root of a square minus s square. So we have to make x the subject of formula. From here, x is surrounded by all of these values. So we have to move them away to the other side to make x stand alone. So what do we take away first? We bring this 1 over 2, we can bring it to this side first. So b, so let's take this. B equal to, this is still the same as what? Square root of a square minus x square all over 2. That's the meaning of this. So when we cross multiply, 2 comes to b, we have what? 2b equal to square root of a square minus s square. So for this, what are we removing next? So we have x, this over 2 is now here. We've removed the 2 to this, over 2 is now in the other side. So what happens to this? We remove this square root. To remove the square root both sides. So this square, we square both sides, this square cancel this square root. So here we now have square root of 2 give us 4b square equal to, then this is going to be what? A square minus x square. So from here, we're having minus here. If we move this here, we'll be left with minus. So we don't want minus x, we want plus x. So we move x to this place, changing the plus to what's positive. So we have a x square equal to a square. This 4b will move to this side and become minus 4b square. And we have what? This expression. What's left? What's still with x square. So we square root both sides. Square root both sides to get rid of this, to remove this square. A square minus 4b square. So square cancel square, square root cancel square. We are now left with x is equal to square root of a square minus 4b square. This is our final answer. So anytime we are introducing square roots, since you are introducing square root, we have plus or minus here. So we are introducing square root. So this is our final answer. As simple as that. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Okay, this is also a question. So let's look at it. It says, if u equal to 1 equal to 3v all over vt minus w, express t in terms of the other letters. Still the same thing as make t the subject of formula. Solution: u equal to 1 minus 3v all over vt minus w. So what you do is we clear the fraction. We have what? U equal to, here to clear the fraction we can just find the LCM. Vt minus w is the LCM. This is over 1 in Vt minus w is still going to give us Vt minus w times 1. So we have 1 Vt minus w minus this minus 3v. Vt minus w in w give us 1 multiplied by 1. So we have what? We can cross multiply here. So this comes to this side. So u into bracket Vt minus w equal to 1 times Vt is still going to give us Vt minus w minus 3 times this will give us v. 3v. So we've cleared the fraction. So what we do next is what? Open the bracket. We are looking for t. Clearing the fraction, we created 2t. There's t here, there's t here. So we have to bring the t's together. So open the bracket. This. So we are going to have what? UVT. U times this will give us UVT minus v times this will give us UW equal to VT minus W minus 3V. So what are we clearing? So we bring this t to this t. So the like terms now, I'll move this away. So we now have UVT. This is coming here. We now have minus VT equal to, this is going here. This is coming here, become a plus. So we have what? UW minus W minus 3V. Here, what is common? T is common here. So we bring out the t. So which is into bracket UV minus V equal to what? UW minus W minus 3V. Divide both sides by UV minus V. UV minus V. So this cancels this. So we are left with what? T equal to what? UW minus W minus 3V all over UV minus V. This is our final answer. Let's take another example.